First of all, there's already an order from DOJ for us to enforce the warrant issued by the ICC. So wala nang there's no reading between the lines. Simple lang, we'll enforce the warrant. Pag nakita namin siya, arestoin namin siya. Pero hinahanap namin siya ngayon. That is the problem now because of yung nangyari na protective custody ng Senate eh. Because there was a gentleman's agreement, lalaking usapan na pagka kailangan nang i-present si Senator Bato, the Senate will be the one to present him. Now that there is no TRO na binigay, ibig sabihin, walang status quo ante na binigay, ibig sabihin, the warrant is valid. It can be enforced. So, wala na kaming explanation na bibigay. If there's an ongoing actions that we are undertaking, of course, there's a dedicated teams to look after him. And we will arrest him. Basta nakita namin siya.
And this is a nationwide operation.
NBI is located, meron kaming officers located nationwide, and that is an order to every law enforcement agent of the NBI. And I think the same way with the Philippine National Police.
Are you working within a specific timeline? Are we looking at weeks, months?
We don't have a timeline because if we will see him today, we will arrest him today. If we will see him tomorrow or next week, we will arrest him. But we are right now looking for him. Kung paano siya umalis noon sa Senado, we're tracking it back now.
Thank you.
Clarification lang po, Attorney. RR po ulit from PTV4. Attorney, I understand na sabi po ng Supreme Court na wala pong pumipigil sa government na arestuhin si Bato de la Rosa. But clarification lang po na hindi na po natin hihintayin yung complete na Supreme Court ruling on Monday sa pag-implement ng arrest warrant.
Well, with that matter, sa DOJ yan eh. We are the law enforcement. It's the DOJ who probably will answer on the legalities.